Here is all. Today we have a tasty Irish brown bread. Let's get into it. Okay, so there's our list of ingredients right there. What we'll do is we'll take the bread soda, the plain flour, the porridge oats and the wholemeal flour, and we'll mix them all into a bowl. And we'll pour them into our stand mixer. And we'll make a little well inside there. Then we'll add the rest of our ingredients, leaving the eggs and the buttermilk to last. Now if you don't have a stand mixer, don't worry, just follow the same steps, except mix the 2 eggs and the oil separately and then add them just before the buttermilk. Okay, so we're going to use our whisk on this, and we're going to whisk it up for about 7 minutes. And we're looking for a sloppy consistency, something like you might produce on a Sunday morning after a hard Saturday night out, but it's going to be tasty, don't worry. Okay, so we lightly grease our tin with some butter, and then we can add some poppy seeds if we want. And then we'll get our mix in. And we'll smooth that out on the top. Some people like to just coat the top of it with a little bit of milk first, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to put some poppy seeds on it. I have the oven preheated to 170°C. Stick that in for an hour. Okay, so after the hour, we're going to remove it from the oven and remove it from the tin. I'm going to brush it with a little bit of milk here and then put back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So after the 15 minutes then, take it out and give it a good knock on the bottom, and it should sound hollow. And there's what we're left with. Some lovely Irish brown bread. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please give us a like and subscribe. Bye bye and take it easy.